Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by seating the opener on the can edge. Press handles together until the blade pierces the lid. Once the cutter bites, keep a firm grip so the tool won't slip. Make sure to position the hinge near the rim so the blade tracks evenly. You want steady pressure, not forceful jerks, because consistent rotation prevents jagged edges and spills. If the opener has a turning knob, use your dominant hand to rotate smoothly while your other hand stabilizes the can. Once the cutter is engaged, rotate the knob at a steady pace. You'll feel the blade feeding along the rim. You should hear a continuous slicing noise. If it skips, stop and reseat the opener. Make sure the blade stays perpendicular to the lid so the cut follows the rim smoothly and minimizes burrs. If the can edge binds against the blade, back up slightly, reset alignment, then resume. Keep your fingers away from the lid edge. The freshly cut metal will be sharp. When you reach the start point, stop turning and carefully lift the lid using the opener's magnet or a utensil. Don't use your bare fingers because edges are sharp. Once open, pour contents or transfer to storage, then rinse and dry both the can rim and the opener blade to remove residue and prevent rust. If the opener slips next time, check for food buildup or bent teeth. Clean or file them, realign the blade, and repeat slowly. That usually restores reliable cutting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.